Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Do you also want to promote your business or your personal hygiene routine or anything, any of your skills that you're good at so that people around the world get to know about it through Instagram? If that is the case, you can directly add a link of your website in your Instagram story. Today's video is all about how to add a link on your Instagram story to increase your reach, your viewership, and so that people directly consult you from that website. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. So you just have to start with going to your Instagram app. As you open it, go directly to your story at the top left. After that, choose any picture, GIF or video. I'll just choose a random GIF. Just adjust it a little. Now, if you directly click on the sticker tab, if it is pre-saved or something, then you won't be able to find it. So what you have to do is click back because this won't work. So click back now, and after that, click again on the sticker tab. From here, click on the link. You can enter any personal, business, promotive link. After typing it, click on done at the top right. And after just adjust it a little. Now I'll just directly click on link. You can also find it by directly clicking on this tab. Now I'll add another GIF to make it look better, obviously, and I'll just adjust it a little bit, make it a little smaller and upside down, a little more smaller, yeah. And now I'll just click on your story at the bottom left. Soon it will be uploaded as your story with your link. So yeah, wait a moment, and after, so this is how it look. This is the end result. Voila, you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed the video or if it was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you.